In order to be a good speaker, you need to be a great listener first. Because without listening skills, one cannot build a good communication or a speaking skills of any language. So if you want to speak like a perfect English speaker, then you need to listen English more and more. But the question arises here that what to listen and where to listen it from. There are so many videos available on internet of those long, boring English speeches, but who the hell gets time to watch all those long and boring English speeches, which they don't give guarantee that whether we'll understand them or not, because they are sometimes very advanced. They use sometimes very advanced English that we are not able to understand them very clearly as a beginner. So that's a great problem for the beginners like you. So if you consider yourself as a beginner, then watch this video completely, because I'm going to recommend top 2 cartoon shows which are absolutely for beginners, and that will help you to improve your listening along with communication skills. Now you might have this question, why am I recommending you all these 2 basic cartoon shows, since we know that there are so many good videos available on internet? Why to spend time on these cartoon shows? The reason is that if I allow you to watch something really you are interested in, and if I allow you to watch something you are not interested in, you will absolutely spend time something to watch which you are interested in, right? For example, if you are interested in cricket, you would prefer to watch cricket videos. For example, if you are watching Cartoon Networks, you will be interested in watching those Cartoon Networks, right? So this is all about interest, right? And these 2 cartoon shows are super interesting. That will surely help any beginner to engage themselves in English speaking videos, right? So that is for the reason that you already know, for interest, to engage your interest into that English speaking videos. So that is the reason. But now without any further delay, let me give you the list of these 2 cartoon shows of English. So the number 1 show is Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer is a fantastic cartoon show which allow you to create a kind of engaging friendship between you and your English, right? The gap between you and English will be filled up. Dora the Explorer is one of the greatest and most viewed American cartoon shows, which has created a kind of great impact on their audience. And not because they are interesting, because of their easy English language, they are very popular, and that will help you surely if you are a beginner. They use very easy language, they use very easy English phrases, which will be very helpful for you as a beginner. They take enough pauses between every consecutive sentences, so that would be fantastic, because you will get enough time to think and process all those sentences in your mind. That will not be tough, that will be super easy for you to understand the basic English phrases and sentences which Dora and other characters use in that particular show. Hence, I am recommending you to watch this show called Dora the Explorer. That will be super interesting, guys. Just believe me, I have watched few of its videos. That is super fun and that is super exciting. So you have to watch those videos in a disciplined way for regularly few weeks, and you will see a good changes in you. Now let's move on to the second number show, and that is the Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig, right? In this particular show, they show you that how normal activities are done throughout the daily life. So that is, and again, super exciting, right? For your kind information, let me tell you that Dora the Explorer was an American cartoon show, but this second Peppa Pig is a British cartoon show which allow you to understand some British accent as well, right? And that will be super fun. One, you are watching an American accent, one you are watching in British accents. You need to just go and watch it with a great flow for few weeks only. And that's my guarantee that if you watch these 2 cartoon shows for 4 to 5 weeks, absolutely you will be improved a lot. Your English will be improved, your communication will be improved, your confidence will be boosted up. I hope you understand this. These 2 shows are very important as a beginner. If you start watching this from now, and never think if you are an adult. Yes, adults also watch these Cartoon Network channels, these cartoon shows, because these are very helpful to understand, very easy to understand, and very helpful again in improving your basic English structures. Now let me give you an idea that how to watch them in a proper manner. Once you are watching them, please read out the captions. If you are getting the captions, if you're not getting the captions, please switch it on from YouTube. They will allow you to watch those captions written down below, right? So focus on those captions as well in the starting. If you're not getting them, try your best, put your efforts to write them down, your basic English phrases, and try your best to use in your speaking daily activities. This is how you can improve your journey of English speaking. That's amazing, guys. Just please believe me. Try these two cartoon shows for few weeks only and you will see a drastic change in yourself. That's all for today. Today in this video I have given you two cartoon shows for beginners. In the next video I will give you for intermediate level. If you are from an intermediate level, please comment down below if you want other video. I will meet you in the next upcoming video. Till then, bye bye, take care.